Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and my physical therapist recommended that for my rehabilitation of my foot, that I work out on a balance board. So I went ahead and got this one from CanDo. The surface of the board has this grippy, non-slip surface. So whether you are doing your exercises barefoot or whether you're wearing shoes, you have an excellent surface. This is the 15 by 18 inch board, and it has these two half circles in the back that make it fully adjustable. So whether you're using it to go forward and backwards or side to side, you simply unscrew the round pieces and place them wherever you need to for your optimum workout. And again, this was recommended to me to get a balance board after my ankle surgery and during my physical therapy and rehabilitation to strengthen those side muscles there along the side of my ankle so that I can gain better strength. So I find this to be very well made and very stable. It's not too heavy for me to move around the house. It has these convenient handles all around the board, which make it very simple to grab. And I love the fact that the surface is so grippy, because the last thing you want to feel is unstable when you're doing exercises, therapeutic exercises to get stability back in your ankle or your foot. So after my injury, this has been an excellent tool for me in my rehabilitation. It's exactly the kind of thing that my physical therapist recommended for me. And I love how I can even travel with it because these come apart and it stores really easily in my suitcase. So no matter where I go, I'm able to do my exercises for my physical therapy. So I'm really pleased with this balance board. And that is my point of view.